Howdy from Maui, Hawaii.
My wife and I have finally gotten a chance to go on our honeymoon, and great news, we've also invested in a 4K GoPro camera. So now
We're fancy now.
we're going to be able to shoot all sorts of new video in 4K. I mean, prior to this, I don't know where my phone is. I've been using an iPhone 8 to film all of my YouTube videos, and it's pretty cool. It gets 1080p, but we have a lot of fun stuff planned. We're going to be doing the Road to Hana. Hana, is that how you say it?
Yeah, Road to Hana.
Road to Hana in Maui. And we're fixing to go on a pineapple tour right now. And so this is, check out my new camera. It's pretty dope. I'm going to just hold it up here and you can see it. There it is. And I was just so surprised by the future. These cameras, this is a GoPro 8 Black, I guess is what it's called. I got this little SD card for it that's like the size of like, you know, it's like a little sliver of ice. And it's just crazy how in the future, how easy it is to film stuff. I've been using phones and like like even right now, my hand's shaking. Like I can't keep a phone stable, and the stabilization on this thing, I think is super cool. The SD card for it was like 250 gigs for like 40 bucks. I'm gonna just
not bad, not bad. This tiny little sliver that's about
that
yay big, this thin.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some links in the description to show you guys the camera I bought and the card that I'm using. If you are impressed by the change in film quality, let me know what you think in the comments.
And if you hate it, also let us know so we can feel stupid for spending all the money
We can feel bad for spending so much money. Yeah, that's funny. Well, enjoy all these awesome shots that I got. So I'm back at our hotel room filming with my iPhone, and you can probably tell immediately, just because of the level of stabilization with shakiness, that I'm not using this new camera. So this is not an ad for the camera. I'm not trying to sell you one of these. I think they're super cool. Picked this up for about 350 bucks, maybe 300 bucks. I don't know. My wife bought it. And this camera is super awesome. It comes with a little battery, which you can just take out here. And obviously the camera's waterproof. I just showed myself swimming around with it. And as I had mentioned in the car, it comes with this little SD card. I'm sorry, it doesn't come with this SD card. You have to buy this on the side. But yeah, it is clearly very deep in the future. I always forget what year it is. I always forget that in the future cars don't fly, but apparently the equivalent of, you know, like when I was in 10th grade, I bought a 200 gig hard drive that was like, you know, half the size of my laptop for something like 500 bucks. And yeah, now it's that. And now, you know, quality cameras are just these tiny little things. This isn't even the latest GoPro. There's a GoPro Hero 9. I love this thing, and I'm super excited to share some of my honeymoon adventures with you guys, and also to just film gardening videos with my nice new camera. So stay tuned. Bird just hopped into my hotel room up there. Well, while I'm just standing here, this is our hotel room. It's pretty nice. You can even see the beach we were just at from here. I thought this would be a cool opportunity to do a comparison side by side. So here I've got the GoPro in 4K. Obviously, again, you'd think the resolution, the 4K, would be the biggest game changer, but it's not. For me, it is definitely the stabilization. I've spent so much time walking around my garden, filming different things, and trying to hold my camera as still as possible. And with this thing, you don't even have to try. It just stabilizes itself. So we're gonna go back to enjoying paradise, but stay tuned. I'll upload a couple of different vids from, cool stuff we wind up doing. Thanks for watching, guys.